Welcome back, guys. Thank you for coming back to my channel. So today I have another chair DIY for you. These two chairs are for my mom, so hi mommy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for stopping by again, and if you do like this video, please subscribe and like at the end. Okay, so guys, you already know the drill. First, you want to take some soapy water and clean down your piece, remove any dust and dirt and grime or whatever it is that you have on there. These were secondhand. I actually got these for free. So this was a really great deal. I got this from one of my co-workers. She saw these and she thought about me and actually brought them and put them aside for me. So thank you. So what I'm doing now is just putting down my first coat. This is the Benjamin Moore Shell color. So I cleaned it down, I sanded them down and prepped them for the paint. Okay, so here initially what I wanted to do was remove the cover and then also the piping and pretty much do the same process that I did with my first chair. I'm not sure if you guys seen that, but I'll link that at the ending of this video. I wanted to redo the piping and use the fabric and put that fabric on top of the piping because I think that adds a nice finish. But once I saw all of those staples, I was like, nope, it is not happening again. That process was ridiculous for me and it took me forever to remove all of those staples. So what I decided to do was just clean. This final product. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you did like the outcome of these chairs, please leave a comment down below. I would love to hear your feedback on this. I do want to take the time out and just thank you guys for your support. I really do appreciate the comments, the likes, you guys subscribing, letting me know how you guys like my work. Please stay tuned for the next one. I see you guys. Bye.